Hi, I'm Stephanie with Wunderlich America, where German precision meets real-world riding. Every rider knows that going on the motorcycle is meaningless without the ability to stop. Braking is a critical part of riding, especially in emergencies. However, if you've ever gone to hit the rear brake and your foot finds nothing but air, that split second of panic, it's not just frustrating, it can be dangerous. That's where the Wunderlich Brake Lever Enlarger comes in. This deceptively simple upgrade transforms your rear brake from a hit or miss gamble into a reliable, confidence-inspiring control. By increasing the surface area of your brake pedal, it ensures your foot lands where it should, every single time. No more hunting for the brake, no more slipping off mid-corner, and no more hope I hit it moments. The design features precision machined ridges that bite back against your boot, even in the wet. So whether it's rain, mud, or early morning dew, your braking stays secure. And ergonomically, it just feels right. Whether you're dicing through city traffic or hitting tight twisties, or standing up on the pegs in the backcountry, this lever feels natural underfoot. That means faster reactions and better control when it counts. Made from premium-grade aluminum, this part is CNC-milled to perfection and anodized for long-lasting durability and clean style. It's lightweight, rugged, and built to perform, ride after ride, season after season. And because it's from Wunderlich, you know it's the real deal. Small batch quality, made by hand in Germany, designed by riders who live for the ride. Installation? Couldn't be easier. We include everything you need. No specialty tools, no shop time. Just bolt on and go. Once you ride with it, you'll never want to go back. More surface, more control, more confidence. This is how a rear brake should feel. Experience new control with the Wunderlich Brake Lever Enlarger. Find yours now at wunderlichamerica.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more ride-ready upgrades from Wunderlich America. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out there.